Hey guys, today I want to talk about content creation. Of course, it can be specifically useful for social media managers, managers, small business owners. However, everyone is a content creator right now. We all are posting something. So all the ChatGPT plugins that are there could be useful for everyone who is online right now. So basically, I want to show three plugins that we've created and I think would be super useful for content creation on everyday basis. And the first one is Aaron Browser. We already have a few videos on our channel explaining the basic features. So if you're unfamiliar with that and you want to dive a little bit deeper, just feel free to find it. If you still have not installed it, just go to plugin store and install it in a few clicks. So right now, what I want to do, for example, let's imagine I personally use those plugins every day. So let's imagine I need to come up with a content plan and what is going on within the industry. And I really need to research firstly to know what kind of content is interesting in and trending at the moment. So let's say, what are the popular topics about ChatGPT plugins in October 2023? In case you are asking yourself why you cannot use regular ChatGPT for this particular prompt, I just want to make sure. Oops, let regenerate. Sometimes it happens based on your Wi-Fi connection and so on, but you cannot use regular ChatGPT for the prompts like this because they do not have access to the live information right now on the internet. They are updated a few years ago. This means that all the information that you will be getting from the regular ChatGPT chats, it's outdated and obsolete, and sometimes it's not relevant, especially for content creation, because we know the lifespan of information is really short at this moment. So in October, some of the popular plugins include blah, blah, blah. That is not particularly what I was asking for. So let's ask, what are the popular topics discussed about the plugins? As I always keep saying, if you do not get the response that you were looking for from the first prompt, please don't give up right away, because a lot of the times the answers that you're getting depend on how precisely you word your requests. So as you can see here, I had a very straightforward prompt. I didn't really think through everything, and I got that was still within the topic and about the niche. However, I wanted more about not the list of the plugins popular at the moment, but more about what is there, what people are asking, what people are curious about. And here, the second response is actually what I can start working with in terms of content creation. The second plugin, I will start a new chat and I will show you Aaron Copywriter. So that is our new plugin that helps you to save a lot of time, not to be writing and rewriting and so on and so on. So for example, let's imagine still you could be a social media manager, or you're just running your own LinkedIn profile. Right now, we all need those. And for example, I have already prepared the text here about ChatGPT plugins and so on. And let's say rewrite it for a LinkedIn post, make it shorter. Let's say professional, but friendly at the same time, because you can prompt what kind of tonality and tone of voice you can have in your copy. And I really believe this helps a lot, because a lot of time we do know what we kind of want to say, but we spend lots and lots of time actually choosing the right words, having the structure, having the storytelling, and seeing how it can work in the post. Here you can see it's super short, it's super well structured. If you think it's not enough, please add a few details to make it longer. If you think you want to give more information to your readers, you can just, after the first prompt, give it a little bit more guidance, and you will receive the actual result that you were initially looking for. Here you go. We already can see it's more or less the same structure. It starts out the same, but it gives it a little bit longer descriptor to every point we had in the first place. Actually, that is what I was imagining, and I'm pretty happy with the result, and I'm ready to just go through that, just proofread it without wasting time on actually composing everything together and post it on my profile. And the last one is about Video SEO Copilot for YouTube. I'm using that also every day for all of the videos that we are posting on our channel. For example, I don't know, let's choose a random video here. We copy the link and we paste it here, and we ask compose a YouTube description to the video. Make it not official, let's say, official, simple, and for example, with emojis. And sometimes it just helps to structure the text. So again, we are working with different platforms. First, we were doing research with our first plugin. After, we were working with Aaron Copywriter to compose a copy for LinkedIn, for example. But of course, it's possible to use it for different platforms. Here, where mostly you're working with the SEO Video Copilot for YouTube platform. Again, it helps you to compose the descriptors. Sometimes it gives you, like it's doing right now, the keywords of frequency, popularity, relevance, and score, so you can actually think about your strategy and SEO and how you're gonna push your content on all the search engines. I really hope it makes your everyday life easier with content creation, because it does consume a lot of time. And in case you run into any challenges using any of those plugins that I've just listed, feel free to contact our support team. We'll be happy to help you and make your experience much smoother. Have a great day. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.